Hello everyone. Today I got my MacBook Pro 14 and right now I'm going to unboxing. So come on. There you go. Nice and slowly get the MacBook Pro 14. Okay. Let's get the box out of the way. And this is the MacBook 14. Let me show you. It is 10 core, 16 core MacBook. Okay, this is the box. Off. Remove from here. Slowly. Unboxing. Right now. Cool. First, it is a little heavy and it's kind of boxy too. Take this out of the way. This is the power cable. This is the instruction manual. Let's see what's in there. Manual guide. What's this? Something in there. I think that's it, right? Oh, it has the stickers too. Apple stickers. I don't really use much. And this is the power charger. Very nice. It is actually 96 watts power charger. Let's remove it, right? I'm going to show you. I don't want to break it though. Oh, what the hell. Okay. That's that, and that's it. Let's see the MacBook Pro itself. Slowly. Okay. Remove the cover. My previous MacBook, I have MacBook Air. So compared to Air, this is heavy, and also it has a boxy look. And this Air MacBook, they comes with HDMI cable, USB-C, micro USB-C, and this is the power connector, headphone jack, USB-C. Very nice. On the bottom it has the MacBook Pro logo. If you want to compare with my previous MacBook Air side by side, okay, this is the MacBook Air. Let's take this out of the way. So let's open it. Voila. Take out the screen. You can see everything right now. Remove the cover. Slowly. Very beautiful. The screen is very nice. I believe this one has the mini LED screen, 14.2 inch screen. The keyboard is very nice. The speakers here, the Touch ID, it's gorgeous. Here we can see the camera, 1080p camera, and it has like a iPhone 11 Pro Max notch it has. What's next? Okay.